All right, on the knowledge base site, I have went in and I've started working on my content management system considers a mini site, and on this mini site is where I'm going to put the commercial client information, where you can put the stuff that you want to password protect for your commercial clients. So I went in and created a blog here as a template, and let me see and finish this. All right, here's the commercial help center for all your commercial clients. They'll need to register, or you can do away with this and have them email you or call you, and then you can go into the dashboard here and go to users and add new user, and you'll just set their role for commercial client area subscriber, and you'll just have to email them their password and username. So you can do it that way, or you can have them self-register through this. But it's currently not working because I'm on a temp site. I don't have the domain set up, so I can't set up the email script to email yet. All right, on the how-to videos, I've done a couple blogs here, just generic stuff I just threw together. How to remove tape from ink cartridge. And you can embed a video. I just embedded a couple videos from my GoVidPro site, and it'll play from within. And it's pretty self-explanatory on how to embed, but I'll show you quickly how to do that here in just a second. Or I've got another style that if you choose, it has the button and it pops up where they can play it this way. Me personally, I like this better, but it's your choice either way. It's your site, how you like to do it. Alright, so to add to the blog, the video blog, you need to be on the how-to videos. Bottom, you click add new. Name it. Put a brief summary. You can do a thumbnail. And then you scroll down and hit publish. And that's what it looks like if you add a thumbnail. Alright, now to add the video, click on here to go to the actual page for the video. You'll click on edit. You'll highlight here. You can type some text here too. Alright, I'm going to demonstrate the video button first. And it's what the system considers a module. And it uses a break tag to place the button where you want it inside the text. So if you go to this top little toolbar, here are the breaks, so you click the break module. Get more there. You'll put that in, and then you will hit publish. And as you can see, you can't see anything where the break tag is. That's simply telling where the module is going to be placed. The little plus button here is to add a module, and you can see there's several modules and we can talk about that more later. Your video button, click on add, and it adds your video button. Now let's grab a video. Let's do one video done for Carthage Fitness. You just click on the video that you want, click up in the URL, copy it, go back over to your site, click on settings right above the button, you paste the URL, and you can change this to play, watch, whatever you'd like, or you can just leave the little play symbol. Hit save, and that's all there is to it. Alright, so now let's go back and demonstrate how to embed one. So let's go to, remember you have to be on the How To Videos page, add new. Again, you can put a brief summary. And a thumbnail if you choose. And you hit publish. You go to the actual page for the site. I'm just going to leave this dummy text here. Click on edit. Once you click on edit, you have a toolbar here. You have these toolbars for any of your text. And then if you want to add more text before the video, you can add a paragraph, headline, list, table, spacers. You can actually go more. You got all kinds of layouts here you can use and here. We'll get into that more when I show you how to walk through the content management system. So what we want to do is we want to drop in. This right here are sections. I'll get into that more. This little one here is content blocks. If you click on that, you can scroll down, you'll see the YouTube video. You drag it over, just drop it in. Now, here's kind of the tricky part for this section. You click on here, it's going to pop up the little link. And you can see here, you don't have the HTTP in front of this. So we need the relative embed code. So you'll go to YouTube. Here's a friend-to-friend demo that I did. We'll just share that one or embed that one. You click embed, and you'll just grab this part of the code. So you just need the www.youtube, the embed, and then the actual code itself for the video. And then you come back over to the site and you paste it there and hit OK. And I'm still on the Carthage Fitness one. I hadn't switched over to the friend-to-friend yet, but that's fine. So let's play the friend-to-friend one. And I'll show you that again. So it's embed, and you'll want this section. And again, you click here, click anywhere on the and you'll paste that here and hit OK. And then the last step, publish, and that takes it live. So there's your couple of different options on how to use the video blog. Again, you can embed, or you can have the button. Just whichever you prefer. I hope that made sense, and I hope my country accent didn't drive you too crazy. Thank you.